What's up guys, welcome to your 7th C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking to you guys about arguments and functions. Now what those are is what's inside the parentheses. So example, for last time we had square root and we had a number like 6.34. Whatever's inside these parentheses or parameters is called the argument. Now, as you see, square root only takes one argument, but some math functions take more than one, and some take none at all. So that's what we're going to be going over today, and I want to help you understand how to use functions that require more than one or none at all. So we have our basics right here, and inside our function body, let's type a couple statements. The first thing that we want to do is declare our first variable. So let's make a variable called num1, and it's going to be a real number, so let's write double. And let's use the power of function. So we put num1 equals power. Remember last time we used square root? This time we're going to use the power, and that's POW, that's built right in. And as you can see right now, when you're using power, you always have two numbers such as 6 to the power of 8 or 2 to the power of 4. Right now, let's do 2 to the power of 4. And to do this, put 2.0, comma, 4.0. And what this does is automatically assign 2 to the power of 4. It's a function built right in. And how you separate functions with more than one argument is with a comma. So again, a comma separates arguments that have more than one, and again, if it had just one, you would just type it in plain like that, but since this one has two, I'm going to separate that with a comma. Now let's output it on the screen. Remember, C out, and let's just type num1, and actually let's begin a new line. So as you can see, we declared a variable, we set that variable equal to the power of 2 to the 4th, which should be 16, I believe, and then we just outputted it right on the screen. So let's save that, compile and run, and as you can see, we have 16. And that's how you use a math function with more than one argument. But let's say there's a math function with no arguments, such as the function random number. And to do that, just type in the word rand, and this will provide a random number to our user. And as you can see, you don't need to type in a number or anything like that, because our CMath library is going to make a random number right for us. So let's execute, compile and run. Hopefully I don't have any errors. And our random number it generated this time is 41. And that's just a random number. It didn't come from anywhere but space. So as you can see, some built-in math functions have 1, such as square root, 2, such as power, and or none at all, such as random numbers. So I hope you can understand arguments and functions, and remember, inside the parentheses are called parameters. They just call parameters instead of parentheses because they want to sound cool. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you learned something about functions. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching.